Alright, this will be S21 take of the elevator at Discovery Hall at ASU Tempe. It looks like they put in a new cab interior because they have this wallpaper here, as you can see. Let's go to 3.
Third floor, going down.
And this phone films so much better than my old S9. Don't be fooled by the lag though. Wait a few hours and Samsung fixes your videos. And the lag is not there. Let's get off at 3.
First floor, going up.
Fun fact about this elevator, G is the only outdoor entrance where you can access the elevator from the outside.
Third floor.